A great kitchen not only looks good, it also solves some of those everyday problems, like how to fit all the stuff you have into the space you have. Here are some tips. Drawers have organizing superpowers. They turn airspace into storage space and let you create a home for every kitchen item. IKEA kitchens have drawers in 2 price classes: soft closing, fully opening Maximira, and the even more affordable Favara. And in an IKEA kitchen, you can place the drawers wherever you like. They don't even have to be visible. High drawers let you store bulky items, and with dividers you can create the perfect home for awkward things like baking trays and chopping boards. Just place the dividers where you need them. You can even store frying pans and those tricky saucepan lids by standing them on their sides. Drawers can also turn a high cabinet into the perfect larder that lets you keep track of your groceries. We have a range of drawer organizers that fit perfectly in your drawers and can create a home for your plates, cutlery, and all those kitchen bits and pieces. Mix and match between our bamboo and high gloss to get the storage you need in the style you like. Carousels make the most of corner space and are a great place to keep appliances and larger kitchen items. We have them for both wall cabinets and base cabinets. Creating a smart waste sorting station under the sink is easy with our series of bins. You can even fit the drawer with an electric motor that opens it for you, so both hands can stay on the job. Wall organizers are perfect for small kitchens. They make use of neglected wall space and keep your things out of the way, but still close at hand. And they're super affordable. If you need more advice, don't hesitate to talk to the kitchen experts at your local IKEA store. They'll help you make sure that your new kitchen not only looks great, but also makes everyday life at home just that little bit easier.